Hey guys, it's Taylor here. Doing a little video. This one's going to be about IMPORT SPRING SHOWOFF, big car show here in Utah, as well as what I woke up to today at my house. I would say that the house is flooded, but the house isn't flooded, but our entire backyard is. For those of you that watch my videos, if you know approximately where I'm staying or living, you know that there's a big park behind us, and they've been doing construction on it. I know some of my friends understand that and know what I'm talking about. And well, since they've been doing construction, and they're doing a lot of stuff with water and all that, it actually started leaking down into our backyard, and I woke up today, and the entire concrete patio, not the entire concrete patio, I'll show you pictures, but it's flooded. There's there's water and like silt and dirt and stuff covering half of the patio, and then a lot of our backyard is covered in water right now. And yeah, so I'm just doing an update video about that. I'll show you those pictures right now. Here they are. So those are the pictures that I took, and then there's the fire department, and it's just, wow, ridiculous. So yeah, anyway guys, IMPORT SPRING SHOWOFF this March. There's gonna be some changes coming to the car specifically for this car show, but also to stay on afterwards, you know. So that'll be a surprise for you guys when I do that. My good friend is going to be helping me with that, getting it all prepped. Need to do my lowering springs still haven't done those. Those will be on before the car show as well, but I'm excited for this car show. This car show is going to be awesome. It always is. I've gone for the last 3 years now, 2016, 2017, 2018. 4 years. No, there was 1 year I wasn't able to go because I was working and some stupid stuff happened as to why I wasn't working. I had it off. I had the ticket, but there was some drama that went down, and I'm not going to get into it. Anyway, IMPORT SPRING SHOWOFF, ISS, Utah. It's run by a guy named Jeff. He's got a nice Integra Type R, and it's amazing. Like, it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, car show. It's at Utah Motorsports Campus, if you guys know where that is. And there's racing around the track, ride-alongs, drifting, car show, food trucks, the whole 9 yards. Live DJ, everything. Contests, like awards. It's honestly wonderful. And I'm super excited to go. I need to get my Defiance banner because Defiance is also going, and I couldn't be happier about that. Last year, I was the only one in Defiance that actually went, and it was really sad because I'm the only one with this banner, and everyone's like, where's your car group? Like, where are they? Like, you're the head of state. Why isn't everyone here? And it was sad. Like, sorry guys, it's really early today, and I'm tired still, and I'm going to work. Uh-oh. But it's sad because it's such a nice car show, and I was really upset that Defiance ended up not going, but there was reasons as to why, and a lot of the stuff happened with the Utah chapter and all that. So yeah, we'll just go from there. There's a couple other things I want to do to the car for ISS, but we'll see if I end up doing it. You know, like if I don't, it is what it is, you know. There's two things for sure that are going to happen, and that's lowering springs and something else. So we'll go from there. But yeah, Defiance will be attending IMPORT SPRING SHOWOFF this year, and I'm super stoked for that. Last year when I went, I had my Fiat in there. I know I talked about it a little bit. I had my Fiat there, and you know, it got some looks. Like, people were like, really? A Fiat? Like, yeah. People didn't know what was really done with it and stuff like that, and that's one of the things that I love, because it was a sleeper. Like, you would never expect a Fiat to, you know, be quick or like relatively quick or anything like that, but it was. It had some get up and go to it. And do I miss that car? Oh, like every day. But you know, it is what it is. Wow, this rain is bad today. And I know it's raining, and that's probably not going to help the backyard, but it's never done anything like this. And we've had bad rainstorms lately, but it's never, like, we have a concrete wall. Like, I know this is going back to the flood, but it's because it's raining and stuff, and I can't like really see in front of me. Like, it's really foggy where I'm at, like over the point of the mountain and stuff. But oh, it's starting to snow right here. Oh, okay. Oh, it is supposed to snow today. I forgot about that. Anyway, guys, back to what I was talking about. There's a concrete wall, and there was mud and water coming over that concrete wall, and that's, you know, it shouldn't be doing that. Like, that's just that's a no-go. So, yeah, anyway, IMPORT Spring Showoff. Defiance is going to be there. My Fiat was in there. My good friend's Mazda that's now making 850, 900 horse, something like that. It was there. He's going again. Hoping to see a GTR there as well. We'll see what happens. I know quite a few people are going, and I couldn't be happier about it. Like, I'm super stoked because Defiance, a lot of Defiance is going to be there. So we're going to do a little meetup before that and a little cruise, and it's going to be awesome. So, yeah, guys, I just wanted to, you know, do a quick video. I hope you guys are having a good morning, and oh, jeez. All I see is brake lights. That's not good. So, yeah, guys, I hope you have a good morning, good day, you know, whenever you guys actually watch this. It's going to be uploaded this morning. And, yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See ya.